everyone, this is Ben Ramos with Elite ProAV here at InfoComm 2026. Today we're showcasing our Presenter Pro DarkUST 3 ceiling light rejecting portable screen. It's a folding frame design which comes with 2 legs that are height adjustable, and also comes with a drape kit and a carrying bag. Right here is another one of our portable solutions, the Flow Riser Pro DarkUST 3. There is a floor pull-up projection screen which has a quick setup. You just open it up, pull up the material, and it's ready to go. It also has the DarkUST 3 material which absorbs up to 85% of ambient light. It's a quick setup for any type of presentation needs, on the go, classrooms, or anything like that. For more information on our products, go to www.EliteProAV.com.
Elite ProAV. Get the big picture.